We want to create a calendar event every time a form is submitted. In this particular case, we're getting just an email and we're saying, hey, we're going to schedule a review session 1 week later than whenever this is submitted. So we're just getting an email address. We need to go to our sheet, go up to extensions, AppScript, and we're going to do this in 2 parts. The first part is we're going to create a function called createCalEvent. And the second part is we're going to add it as a trigger on form submit. When that happens, we're going to get this event variable that has some interesting data in it, such as all of the values when submitted. We're going to get a const email equals vent.named values. And these named values are exactly what's written here in the name, email. And we're going to put that in quotes, email. And let's look at that. And we're going to need that email when we're sending an all-day event 7 days in the future. So let's get today's date as well. Const date equals new date. Const review date equals new date. Date plus 7. We'll need date dot get date plus 7. There we go. Then we're going to need our calendar, const calendar, or cal equals calendar app dot get default calendar. That's just as the owner of the sheet, whatever Google Workspace account we're in, get the default calendar. And then now we're going to create a calendar event, cal dot create all day event. And we need just a few things. We'll say review session as the title. We'll say review date as the date. And then we have some options in curly brackets. We're going to say guest, email. Whatever email we get up here, that's our guest. Actually, guest with an S. And we might not need to send invites, so we'll do send invites, false. Save all of this, and the second part of this is that we have to go over to the left side, click triggers. Once that loads, we'll go to the bottom right, click add trigger. We'll select which function we are wanting to run from spreadsheet, and on event type, we will select on form submit. Click save. At this moment, we'll have to authorize, click allow. And now we should see this trigger here. If we want to delete it, we can click the 3 dots here and click delete trigger. But if we want to edit it, just go over to the editor and edit it. We don't have to delete, edit, and save again, but we do have to edit and save. Let's submit. We had an invalid argument at line 8. Probably, I think I know why. Let's see, line 8 is this review date. Let's see if it's just date plus 7. Might have to wrap that in new date. Let's try to get just this first one here. Maybe it's this email that's having an issue. Yeah, it was that email that was having an issue, so it's just 0, but this date actually needs to be date dot get date plus 7. Or it's going to just add like 7 seconds and be on today's date. So we need this a week later, so this is going to be what we need. Let's run it again. So this date is wrong. We need to actually do two steps here. We need to create a new date and then change this review date dot set date to review date dot get date plus 7. Let's save that. So now the setting of the date sets it as a date 7 days in advance. We've submitted another one. Let's check our calendar. And this is 1 week from now. We have a review session with that email that we set up. Very cool. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Here's the full code if you'd like it. Pause now and get it right now. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.